If you want to seriously boost your Instagram engagement, it's time to master Reels. These short, punchy videos are the fastest way to reach new audiences and get your followers talking. But it's not just about filming something and hitting post. Let's break down what really works. First, understand that Instagram Reels are designed for maximum discoverability. They show up in Explore, in hashtag feeds, and even to people who don't follow you. That means every reel is a chance to go viral, so you want every second to count. Start with quality. Use good lighting, clear audio, and crisp visuals. Even if you're filming on your phone, pay attention to framing and steady shots. Instagram favors content that looks professional, so a little effort goes a long way. Now, those first few seconds? They're critical. Open with movement, bold text, or a question that makes viewers want to watch more. If you don't grab attention instantly, people will just keep scrolling. Think about what your audience actually cares about. Are you making them laugh, teaching them something new, or sharing a quick tip? Reels that connect emotionally or offer real value get shared, and that's how you grow. Don't forget hashtags and trends. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtags to get discovered. And if you spot a trending audio or challenge that fits your style, jump on it quickly. Timing is everything. Editing matters too. Trim out the boring bits. Use Instagram's built-in tools for effects, text, and transitions. But keep it clean. Too much can be distracting. Finally, keep an eye on analytics. See which reels perform best and why. Maybe it's the topic, the time you posted, or the hashtag combo. Use that info to refine your next posts. And if you want to give your reels a real boost, check out Media Mister. Their services can help you reach a wider audience and make your hard work pay off faster, all while staying safe and growing organically. If you're ready to level up your Instagram, Media Mister is a smart place to start.